Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the blur effect on the Polish application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and tap on the create button. Select a picture you want to edit and then slide to the right side of the screen until you find this blur option. Here you can choose from a bunch of presets such as blur, circle, so you need to drag it to the relevant area, for example to your skin. You can also make it bigger by zooming in and out within the circle, and you can apply or adjust the blurriness of the picture by the help of this slide down below. So feel free to choose from these options and then adjust it to your picture. If you are done with it, tap on the checkmark icon at the top of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.